Beyoncé? Miss Tina, why can't you twist this out? Oh, this is wasting product. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the items that I received from Cécred. Now, I was so excited to use this hairline. So in this video, I'm only going to show you the products that I received. Then I'm gonna make another video showing you how I use the products on my hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I ordered from Beyoncé and Miss Tina Knows. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned and watch the full video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop that in the comments and let me know what you ordered, or if you will be ordering anything from them. And also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. So the first item in the package that I received is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. I hope you guys can see that. It's based off the instructions I've seen online on the website. You're supposed to use this first. It's supposed to help remove build up residue, oil, all that stuff in your hair. So this will be the first shampoo you're supposed to use. And this is how the top look. Well, yeah, it got one of these things right here. So I got this on here. I'm not supposed to remove it right now, but this is what I got. So the next item I got is the hydrating shampoo. And you're supposed to use this shampoo after you use the clarifying shampoo. So use the clarifying shampoo once, then the second shampoo you want to use the hydrating shampoo. Now I'm pretty cool, y'all. I can't open this. I know it's supposed to open like this, right? Just clicking. But as far as twisting the top off, I can't twist it off. It don't pop off. It don't twist off. Beyoncé, Miss Tina, why can't you twist this out? Why y'all didn't make this to where we can twist this off? I can't smell nothing yet. I don't know. Maybe I smell it once I start using it, but yeah, I can't twist that off. Was that supposed to be like that? So the next item that I purchased, it's the moisturizing deep conditioner. That's the top. It smells great. So that's how it looks. I hope you guys can see that. So the next thing I got was the reconstruction treatment mask. And here it is right here. This container looks exactly like the moisturizing deep conditioner, but in a different color. This is more of a dark, but it's more of a gray. While the other ones are more like a creamy white color, this is more of a gray color. So based on the instructions on the website, it's telling you that this is not a deep conditioner. Use this treatment mask after shampooing and before conditioning. So you will use, so if you want to use this, basically saying use after you shampoo, go here first, go here, then go here to the moisturizing deep conditioner based on the instructions, what I'm picking up, what they putting down, when you need to repair damage. So you won't use this every time. So the next thing that I got are the fermented rice and rolls protein ritual. And so this is how it comes. It comes in this box. And how many is in here? It looks like it's 4 of these in here, and also 4 of these. Let me get it to the camera. 4 of these packages. You don't have to purchase the shake vessel, but I went ahead and purchased their shake vessel. And this is how it looks. Let me get it out the box. This is gonna look like this when you open it. Of course, this is the top. And this is the ritual or the shake vessel. That's what they call it. Let me make sure I call it the proper term. So it's called a ritual shaking vessel. This is how it looks. Of course, you know, you twist the top off and you'll put this top on after you add the product. I guess I'm assuming, I'm pretty sure you shake it up. Maybe you shake it with the top off. However you gonna do it, do it. Do the damn thing. Use every 4 to 6 weeks after shampooing and before conditioning. So the next thing I purchased was the moisture sealing lotion. Now this is part of a styler, or this is their styler. This is the only styler they have online. Oh, now I wasn't ready for this. This is wasting product. Lord Jesus, I wasn't ready for this. Now I'm gonna have to get something to wipe this off with. Yeah, that is definitely wasting product. I feel like that was a lot. And it looks so little, but I feel like a little goes a long way. I don't know. Let me not squeeze the bottle. But it definitely had that sandalwood smell. Let me look at the fragrance. Yeah, same fragrance. But why? I'm still mad at that. And I'm looking at the product and looking at it like, damn, that's a lot. It's not a lot, but it's a lot. The girls that get it, get it. If you know, you know. It says it works well on damp or dry hair. And it does say a little goes a long way. So that little bit is a long way. I probably could have got about 5 2-strand twists out of it. Cause I'm a girl, I'm a custard girl. I'm a custard girl through and through. And just trying to, so I'm supposed to do I don't want to say a 30-day challenge, a 2-month challenge where every week I'm only going to use Beyonce's Miss Tina Knows, this Cécred product. See if I notice anything different with my hair, notice any growth, any thickness, more shinier. Just, you know, I'm only going to use Cécred product line. But because I'm a custard girl through and through, I know my curls are not going to be hard like the custard leaves your hair. The sealing lotion is definitely going to have my hair soft. And I don't know if it's going to have my curls more defined like the custard, or my curls, the definition is going to hold like how the custard holds my curls for a few days. I feel like this is probably going to be lasting my curl definition for about 2 days maybe. And then poof, we have poofy hair. So the next product I purchased is the Nourishing Hair Oil. It comes in a little box like this. And this actually looks cute. I wonder, this is too pretty to me. It looks so pretty to me. Check out my short video that I did on these products. And when it hit the sunlight, it was just gorgeous to me. So, and you know what else? If this was, she had I know she has a cologne, a perfume out. But if she had, or anybody, had some perfume in a bottle like this is cute. This is just too cute. And I seen in the videos online, there's like a little plastic thing to, I don't know if my camera's gonna catch it. So I don't know if y'all can see that plastic thing that covers up the hole so it won't spill. See how nothing's coming out? It's a little plastic thing that you gotta take off. Yeah, I like that. I like that it has that on there. Because these other oils, and I didn't receive some oil and it was spilled. And I had to tappity tap on their computer or not computer, tappity tap on their phone and send them a nice little email saying, hey, I received oil, but it's spilled. Of course, that brand sends me another one. But however, I like that they got this right here. But I do notice on the website, you know, how all the other products have how to use instruction. This one don't. I guess you use it however you want to use it. And that's all the things I purchased with Cécred. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I will be uploading videos of me washing my hair every week for 2 months. So that's 8 weeks. That's 8 weeks of me washing my hair with only Cécred products. Only. Y'all pray for me because I'm a custard girl. Beyoncé, Miss Tina knows, Cécred people, Parkwood Entertainment. Can y'all make a custard for your girl? But you know what? It seems like they're really focusing on healthy hair and not trying to focus on custards or products for curl definition. They mostly focusing on products to get your hair healthy and shiny. Is what it seems like to me. But hey, if y'all want to venture off into the custards, please do so. Also, Beyoncé, in the words of Funky Dineva, Beyoncé people, Beyoncé people, Miss Tina knows people, Parkwood Entertainment people, Cécred people. If y'all looking for ambassadors, hair ambassadors, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is Ashley, the number 1, underscore, the letter N, underscore, only. Feel free to DM me. Feel free to email me at Ashley1 and only 1 at gmail.com. Reach out to your girl. If y'all looking for some brand ambassadors or influencers, YouTubers to, you know, show off y'all product, reach out to the smaller people. I know y'all, I know that I've seen some videos with some influencers that's like have a lot of followers, but you know, us little small people, don't forget about us too. We like to, we want to promote. We want the freebies. We want to test the products. So, you know, Beyoncé people, Cécred people, reach out. Miss Tina knows. I see you, girl. And I feel like this product line is for you, Miss Tina. I think this is all you. But I think this is all you. And I like that you on there demonstrating how the product works and you actually putting your hands in the people's heads. I like it. Now, if Beyoncé can just go live, Lord, she gonna break the internet if she go live. If she can go live and do some demonstrations, or better yet, don't even go live, Beyoncé. Make a video talking to us, talking to your fans, talking to the beehive. Talk to us. And show us how you use the product. Or you don't even have to be doing your own hair. You can get your stylist, no, not stylist, what they call them, your hairdresser, your stylist, whatever, whoever does your hair, get them to do your hair on a video and put it out there. Because if you go live, Beyoncé, that's gonna break the damn internet. She was talking about the Verizon commercial breaking the internet, baby. Go live. We're gonna tune in and don't tell us when you're going live, baby. You really gonna break the internet because we're gonna be anticipating that live. Just one day sit in front of the camera and just go live and start doing your hair, or do Blue Ivy hair, or do what's your other daughter's name? Lord Jesus, forgive me. Do Remy hair, do Sir hair, hell, do Jay-Z hair. Show us how y'all use the products on Jay-Z hair. Do Jay-Z even use these products? Because I'm pretty sure he has a shampoo and condition his hair. Now, look, I'm just you know, throwing ideas out there. But I like how the product looks, how the bottles and stuff, especially this oil. I don't know, I'm just in love with this oil, how the oil looks. Stay tuned and look out for my other videos of me doing wash day with only Cécred products for 2 months. Each week I will be putting out a video. So for 8 weeks, I will be washing and doing my hair with only Cécred products. So if there's something you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload these videos. And I'm going to be giving my honest opinion. I don't care how much I like Beyoncé. If I ain't feeling the product, I'm going to let her know. But if I'm feeling it, I'm definitely going to let her know that too. Anywho, like this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of the video or what you think of the products, how you use the products yet. Anyway, drop down in the comments and let me know. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.